PWR, Quanta Services, getting a pop here. January 43 call sweep on Papa Whiskey Romeo. PWR.
Alrighty, good morning, Efron. Good morning, team. A little late today. My daughter is flying to Brazil with my mother-in-law today, so I have to leave a little bit early today as well. I have to take them to the airport. And right now, what I wanted to go over quick, as I was getting things ready here, I saw some unusual option activity come in with Uber. They're picking up the calls. I heard that on the screener. So I came over and I took a look at the chart here. And as you guys can see, if you look at some of our previous older YouTube videos, you'll see that there's a nice pattern forming here with Uber. Let me see in the trade room if anyone picked it up correctly. Shane Bagley, that was correct. That's a hook pattern. So we have a nice hook pattern forming, and what we're seeing is, let me see if I could draw something here. Let me just share with you guys quick. So in this type of hook pattern, what we're seeing, here's our base right at 26, and now we're starting to hook up. So that's our hook pattern right here. And our next target is going to be resistance right at 29, and then we could be looking for 32, and then even higher than that between 34 and 35. So in the short term, 29, I like this setup here on Uber, so I'm going to be placing a trade on Uber. First off, I'm going to look at the calendar. Our Walmart and Disney trades are up today, slightly. Ulta's in the red, Facebook's in the red, Nike's in the green, Qualcomm's pretty flat since yesterday. Let's see here, Uber. So they just had their earnings on November 4th. Nothing coming up for December, nothing coming up for January. So let's take a look and see how expensive these guys are here. The 2750s, they're actually pretty cheap, not too bad. Let's see if we go out to the January monthly. 27, 31. So 31, those that have about 100% return. And we have until January 17th, which is about 2 months away. That's not bad at all. That's a nice setup there. So what I would do is I'd pick up, I like the volume, the open interest on the 29 strikes. So our break even is going to be the strike price, which is 29, plus what we paid. It's saying we could pick it up right now for $1.17. So 29 plus $1.17, that's $30.17. Add another $1.17 to that, and then at 31.34, you have 100% return there. So that's not too bad at all there. 31.34, you have 100% return. And if we look at the chart here for Uber, 31.34, that's going to be our second resistance area. So if we break 29, good chance we're going to take a run up to, that 32 area. Or what else we could do here, since this is looking so great, and if you're looking at the today 1 minute chart, look at how beautiful this looks per our trade plan. Retrace back down to the 20, and she's on the climb again, and you could look and see if it's going to break resistance here. If it does, then we're looking for that next bigger climb. And we could also pick up something like the spread, buy to open, sell to open. If we did something like this, I'd get a shorter term because I like the looks of that hook pattern. So this is something we could possibly even go with the November 29th expo and do something like the 27.28. That's going for 53 cents to be worth $1. So that's a max. I want to share it with you guys on here. So 1, divide that by 0.53. That's a max return of 89%, which isn't bad. Now you can pick that up for 50 cents, max gain of 100%. So I'm just keeping an eye on this. I like that Uber setup, and I like the options coming in on that down here if we scroll down on the news feed. Uber, January 17th, 29 call sweeps, about almost 4,000 of them at $1.15. Let's see if this holds on the 10 here. Disney's looking nice and ripe for the next breakout. Facebook's coming back here pretty quick. A really big spike here on Facebook, guys. Facebook starting breakout momentum. It just had the 1020 cross. It finally having the first candle above the 1020-50 SMA for the day. And this is looking nice. So as you can see here, it had a nice bottom by 9:45 a.m. by 9:38. And it's climbing since there. And we're looking at 199.50. So still another about $1 to run there if she continues to climb in the breakout momentum phase and cycle here. And Facebook's looking great. I like that setup. Let me see what else. I'm looking at the watch list above. MasterCard's running again as well. That MasterCard and Visa we gave a trade idea on yesterday. That's looking incredibly great there. MasterCard, let's take a look at Visa. Visa might start to pop now as well. MasterCard's already breaking out, but there was some news on MasterCard over American Express.
EMR, Emerson Electric, January 75, 5 calls sweep now. Echo Michael Romeo, January
That's looking really great here as well.
500 contracts.
Watch for that bounce off the 20 SMA here for AXP American Express. Disney climbing again. I'd really like to make another MasterCard trade. That looks incredible there. Look at that breakout momentum. I mean, you guys know the trade plan. Here's the 1020 cross SMA's cluster, breakout, consolidation, and another breakout here. Uber's still continuing to climb, so I'm going to pick up that trade as well. January 17th. I could possibly pick up the December 20th.
Shares of Emerson Electric getting a pop here, 72.96. Again, the January $75 call in EMR.
I like this setup, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick up small trade for now. Maybe I could even pick up next week's expo here. See if
CGIX, Cancer Genetics halted on a circuit breaker.
I like that setup here. 55 cents. I'll pick up 20 contracts. Small trade for now. 1, 2, 3. 28 strike. That's looking good. Let's see if I could get filled for that. This is one you have to go up by 5 cents. Alrighty, I just entered into that trade, the Uber November 29, 28 strike call. Small $1,000 trade for now. And if that has another green candle tomorrow and we get that confirmation for that hook pattern, I'm going to be adding to that. So right here, 6 month daily, you're seeing we're getting the first full body candle above the 10 SMA. We're getting the MACD cross coming up here. And it looks like we're going to get back up to that resistance right around 28.75 to 29. So that could be a great short-term swing trade there. Pick that up for now. I'm going to hold on to that. Let's go over other trades in the account. First off, Disney. That one's in the green today. We're up about 1% on that trade. If we're looking at the daily chart here, this is looking good. We're waiting. It's in consolidation right now, and we're looking for that next breakout. So we have the Disney March 20th 150 strike call. That one's looking great there. I'm definitely going to be adding to that one. That's about a $4,000 trade. I'm going to be adding to that one once we break that 150 area. So when we get that first body above 150, I'm going to be adding to that Disney March 20th 150 strike call. Next one, Facebook. Let's take a look at Facebook. We have the December 6th 200 call. This is still looking good, as you can see with the swing chart. The body is still within the previous body's candle, so we have no sell signal. Facebook looks great. We might check that at the end of the day. Our sell signal would be the first body below the previous day's body. So basically, if you close below 197.45, that would be your confirmed exit for that Facebook call. Our Uber trade's now up 8%, guys. Here's the Uber trade we just made. Here's the Uber trade, already up $80, up 7.44%. And this was a small trade. It was only a $1,000 trade. So we picked up the Uber November 29th, 28 straight call, 20 contracts. That cost us 20, multiply that by 53. So 20, multiply that by 53, that's what we paid. And there's that short-term swing trade here for the November 29th Expo. We continue to run on that. I'm going to be picking up some calls for probably the January Expo, which we've seen some large call volume on in the news feed below. Let me look here. Jerry Rashenko says Netflix. Let me check out Netflix.
UBER, Uber, more bullish call activity in Uber. Now, 997,000 share block at 27.75, just below the bid of 27.76 on Uber.
Yes, Chris, that looks great. Great job there. Guys, take a look at our Uber trade already. I was just looking at the chart or talking to you guys in the trade room, and look at this. Our Uber trade already up $180, up 17% on our Uber calls already. And we just made that trade. That's why I just came live. I said, you know what, this is too good of a trade to pass up here. So that's why I said, let me go live quick and give this idea here before I have to go take the daughter to the airport. Take a look at Uber in the background here. Uber's at the day's highs. This is looking like a beautiful chart here. Beautiful hook pattern. And tomorrow I'm expecting another large day for Uber based on our chart pattern and based on what we're seeing here. So let's take a look at the today 1 minute. Nice breakout there. Up 17%. Here comes the next breaking candle here. Let's check it out. Disney's in the NTZ no trade zone right now. Had a little breakout this morning. Consolidated in the NTZ right now. Consolidation. Waiting for that candle above or below 140. Let's say 148, below 148, or above 148.50. That's what you're looking for with Disney right now, if you're looking for a day trade on it. Our NVIDIA calls that we picked up yesterday are in the green, up 16% on those, up 42% for the day on that. Remember, we picked up that single contract. Look at NVIDIA breaking out, guys. This might be a really nice move. We're already up to 210. I mean, this thing was beaten down. Let's see. Now, here comes Uber. This is looking like a bounce off the, this is the 10, probably 7. Continuing to climb here. Watch Uber for the next breakout. NVIDIA, like I said yesterday, NVIDIA held that 20 SMA yesterday. Remember we talked about that. Go check out that video. NVIDIA held that 20 and she's starting to run again. I would pick up something here for the December 6th or December 20th Expo. NVIDIA is looking great. Let's zoom in a little bit here because I want you to see. First off, it's consolidating, but as you can see, it's hugging along the 20 SMA here. That 20 SMA is acting as support as of now. So that's an excellent looking trade setup right here. And here goes Uber again. We're now up $230 on that small Uber trade. Let's bring that baby up. Up $230 on that trade. Up 21.46%. We paid 53 cents. It's now between 60 and 70 cents. She's still continuing to climb there. We'll take a look at that again here shortly. That's going to be increasing from 229.67 any second here.
ROKU Roku, November 29,
Roku.
152.50 call sweep. ROKU Roku.
Guys, there goes NVIDIA. NVIDIA's still on the climb. NVIDIA is looking really great there, guys. I'm going to give you a trade idea on NVIDIA because look at this chart here. This is looking like a strong breakout's coming. It looks like the market's going to be rising here as well. I like the looks of this. Diamond's not doing too much, though. I usually like going with the flow of the market. That's why it's so tough to make some larger trades here. You know, the market's consolidating a little bit. NVIDIA call, that one's up 20% now. We picked up the 210 strike for the November 22nd Expo. Nike trade is up. Ulta's picking up here. We'll see where Ulta ends the day at. Alrighty, so NVIDIA, I wanted to give you guys, sometimes I get lost looking at these charts here, you know. Lose my train of thought.
Shares
There
of
goes
Roku
Uber again.
60.45 at the high.
All right, so NVIDIA, what I'd be looking at here, if you were picking up the December 20th monthly, which I'm probably going to be sending out a trade alert on this.
Saudi Arabia says rejects completely the U.S. comment on Israeli West Bank settlements.
This trade is really a great looking trade. The 207.50, 210 vertical spread for $1.30 up to $1.35 a contract at most, and that's looking really great there. So max net gain on that is going to be 250. Divide that by 2.5. Divide that by, let's say, 1.35 to be on the high end. So even if you pick this up for $1.35, it's at $1.30. You know, that's an 85.19%. And if you pick it up for $1.30,
SNAP,
that's a max net gain of 92.31%, which looks great. Guys, look at our Uber trade now. Our Uber trade is already up $280 now. And the nice thing about this, it doesn't expire this week. It expires next week. So plenty of time for that continue to run. Already up $280 on that. Not too much since it's a small trade, but that's a nice quick profit of 26.13%. And that's why I came on live here to discuss with you guys that hook pattern that I saw on Uber. And then we also saw the call sweeps coming in. Here's more coming in now. Another 4,000 coming in. 29 call sweep for the January 17th Expo. So I got the shorter term trade on this. If you're not in this yet, this is still a really nice trade setup, and expect this to continue to climb there. Uber is looking great. Look at the chart in back here. Here's the Uber chart. NVIDIA is getting a pop off the 10. Uber's continuing to climb here, looking great.
We're not going to give it away this
Now
year.
it's just patience, discipline, and following that trade plan. NVIDIA trades in the green, Nike trades in the green, Uber's in the green. Let's see. Ulta's climbing from the lows, 235.51. Nvidia's getting a climb here. I'd really like to enter another Nvidia trade. Yes, still in Walmart and Disney, Vinny. Our Walmart trade is down 20% right now. That's for the December 20th. Let's take a look at Walmart chart quick so you guys know what we're looking at. Walmart still holding above that 10 SMA, so that's still looking great for me. My sell is probably going to be a close below the 20 SMA on a daily chart here. So still holding the 10 for right now, still fine with that. Next trade, let's see, Disney. Disney, as you guys could see, what do we have here? We have breakout momentum, and then we have consolidation for a couple of candles. Another breakout momentum, consolidation, profit taking, and now we're on the climb again. So still holding Disney. That's looking great. When we have the Disney March 20th 150 strike, you know, that one's, it's only down 7% right now. It was in the green before. So Disney's a mover. So that one's still looking great. And like I said earlier today, I'm probably going to be adding to the Disney trade sometime over the next week or two. Efron says, are you still in Qualcomm? We have the Qualcomm 9250 vertical call spread for the December 20th monthly expo. So let's take a look at Qualcomm. Qualcomm, as you can see, it quickly retraced back down to that 20. If that closes below the 20 SMA, I'm out of that trade. If it holds there and we see a green candle that confirms a bounce off the 20 SMA, then I might add to that position. But right now, you're watching because it's coming right near the stop here at the 20 SMA.
Uncertainty has been a major factor.
Yeah, it does.
On the economy.
Efron said daily looks like it's bouncing off the 20. So absolutely. And that's what I love about doing these live videos. We could go over every trade that we're in, and we could help each of you out here if you have any questions. Walmart trade's now green. Let's see what Walmart's doing. Yep, Walmart's holding that 10. Here's the cross. Now, here comes a nice possible day trade setup. First off, NVIDIA had a successful bounce off that 10. That's why we have that confirmation candle to confirm BDM or bomb cycle and phase. Walmart here, 1020 cross coming up, holding above the 1020.50 SMA. Looking good. Let me keep an eye on Uber. Uber's still continuing to climb there, 27.95, 27.96, 27.97.
ARAV halted again on a circuit breaker.
Did you guys get in
Raymond
that Uber
says
trade?
She still hears from business contacts.
Now watch over here for NVIDIA. See if it fails to break resistance right around 210.20. A target for which one came in? Let me know which one you're talking about there, and I'll check it out for us. Walmart's still continuing to climb. Nike's still climbing. NVIDIA climbing. Uber. How much are you up on the Uber trade, Efron? Cayman's on the Uber trade. He's up about 20%. Karen's in the Uber trade. She's up about, how much are you up on that? I'm up 27% on the Uber trade. Gone in Facebook calls for a day trade today. Uber's still continuing to climb, $28. It looks like there's some volatility coming in there. Let's see. We just had a quick candle. Let's see what happens here. See if we get a continued breakout. $28 a share. Now, Netflix is flirting with resistance, as you could see here. I mean, it's clear as day. I hope you guys could see it as well. You know, breakout momentum, retrace back down to that 10, and now we pulled back up to resistance, and right now it's consolidating because it's having trouble breaking that resistance. And this is classic. You know,
Coming
if you
up at
could see what's
10:30,
going
True
on here.
Inventory's
There goes
1.143
NVIDIA. Let's
million
see a break
expected
above
estimates, a draw
210.38.
of 732,000
If we could break let's say
inventories of gold
210.40. We get a
of
candle above
870,000
210.40.
expected.
I think we're gonna have another breakout further on NVIDIA. And she's up 1%. We might see it up 2% today if we could break this resistance at 210.40. Let me share with you guys because I like being transparent here with y'all. So today, yes, we've been locking in profits, realized profits just about daily here. Right now, down $663 for the day. Not bad. Here's the Uber trade. This is the Disney trade that's down $50 for the day, which isn't much. The Facebook trade, if it wasn't for the Facebook trade, I'd be in the green today. Down $750. That's a little bit larger of a trade, though. I think $6,200 trade. So that's looking fine with me as well still. Right below it, this is the Nike spread. So the short leg here is greater than the loss of the short leg. So that's still fine here. That's in the green today, the Nike trade. Below that, this is the NVIDIA trade right here, up $94.50. And below that, we have the Qualcomm spread and then the Walmart trade. There goes NVIDIA, guys. Uber trade now up 35%. Guys, take a look at that. Up $380, up over 35% on Uber, and that was a small $1,000 trade. Now imagine if that was a $5,000 trade, I'd be up $1,500. Still looking great, guys. Take a look at NVIDIA, finally starting to break here. This is looking really good, guys. NVIDIA trades in the green. We're up 57% for today, 59% on the NVIDIA trade, 61% on the NVIDIA trade. NVIDIA is breaking out here. Our NVIDIA trade's up 31% overall now. Looking good. And look at this as well. So we went from We're only down about $163 right now, which isn't much. We're almost turning green here for the day. We're getting a nice breakout. Here we go. There we go. We're in the green. We are now in the green for the day, guys. We just entered into green. We had some nice profits yesterday. Let's watch Uber continue to rise. Nvidia's breaking higher here. Yeah, Facebook. I'm in the green on Facebook. That's what caused that reversal there. Definitely. Good eye on that one, Jay. Ooh, oh, wow. Look at Facebook breaking out here, guys. Look at that breakout.
The U.S. Department confirms it has begun issuing some licenses for some U.S. companies to supply non-sensitive goods to Huawei.
Nice climb there, guys. There goes Nvidia, guys. Nvidia's having the next breakout, $2.11 a share. What did we just say earlier in this video if we broke this resistance? We said if we broke this resistance, we're going to have a nice breakout. Here's that candle that broke through that resistance. Now we're in the breakout momentum cycle and phase. And as you guys can see, the account is running now. We are going to quickly get a couple $1,000 gain here, I think, based on what I'm seeing. We're already up $200 right now. Let's refresh. Now we're in the green, $233. Now we're in the green, $350. $343.67. We're continuing to run here. Nvidia's continuing to break out. Facebook's running. Looking good, guys. Looking great. And that's the importance of patience and discipline, guys. So many this morning. Oh, the trade's red. Well, guys, the market fluctuates. The market fluctuates. You have a trade plan, and your goal is to follow that trade plan and lock in profits when you get those signals based off the trade plan. Nvidia's having a nice run here. Look at that continued breakout, breaking past $2.11 a share. Did anyone get in that Nvidia trade that I was talking about earlier today? I gave you guys a trade idea on Nvidia. Did anyone get into it? Facebook retracing here a little bit. I still love the Facebook swing chart here. That's looking incredibly great. I'm looking for 200 to 205 a share for that trade to lock in those profits. Our Qualcomm trades up, or not Qualcomm. Our Nvidia trades up about 40% right now. Cayman said he got in the Nvidia trade. What did you get, Cayman, when I announced the Nvidia breakout? What trade did you get, and how much are you up on that? I'd like to know. Because that was a pretty large breakout from this morning when we were first talking about it.
That's coming up in just a moment.
Kevin Hasu, he's new with us. He just signed up last night. Welcome aboard. He got in his first trade, I'm guessing, with Nvidia. How much are you up on the Nvidia trade, Kevin? Percentage-wise. There goes Nvidia again, guys. Nice breakout on Nvidia. Continued climb. Guys, remember that Nvidia trade we got yesterday? We picked up that single contract.
Target ARAV. That is a new street high for Alpha Romeo Alpha Victor. ARAV.
Guys, remember that one little Nvidia trade that we made? It was a $219 trade, right? Take a look at this. Still continuing to run. Take a look, though. Remember yesterday I said, I just want to get in an overnight trade on NVIDIA. And on the video yesterday I said November 22nd, 210 strike. It's up 89% today. Up 53.75% unrealized right now. We bought it for $219, so it only cost $219 this trade. This trade already made us $118, and it's only a $219 trade, up over 53%. Now, silly me, I should have gotten into a larger trade on it, but I was in so many trades yesterday, I didn't want to expose myself more to the market than I already was. Otherwise, I would have made this a larger trade. And there she goes. She's continuing to run. NVIDIA's continuing to break out there. And these are small trades, guys. I'm doing this for to get an idea for the trade challenge here, what I want to do. So I've been making some smaller trades here lately on that. Look at that continued run here on NVIDIA. We basically have the new site up and running. It's all functional. It's looking great. And I think that's going to be finished this weekend here. Up 64% on the NVIDIA trade now. Up 67% on it.
ASH, Ashland Global, January 80 call active. Alpha Sandy Hotel.
NVIDIA is still continuing to run there. I wish I made that a larger trade yesterday. $150 on, it's up 67%. But obviously that's a small trade. That's not going to do too much for me there. But let's take a look now overall. Up $393.67 unrealized for the day so far. Uber's starting to run again. Nice run on Uber. Uber already up $330 on that. We're up 31% on the Uber trade. Let's see what Facebook's doing here. NVIDIA is still breaking out, looking great there. Facebook starting to run again. It retraced back. Look at how perfect our trade plan is. Seriously. 1020 cross, breakout momentum, profit taking back down to that 10. 10, it's holding support and continuing to climb. I've never saw a better trade plan than what we have. And there we go. There's the next big breakout for Facebook. Markets are climbing. The Diamond ETF, that 1020 cross is coming up now. Big breakout, guys. Take a look now. We're now up. Before we were just up, $300 and some dollars? Now we are currently up $848.67. And that's how quick we could go from in the red to in the green. We're now up $1,000, guys. Quick $1,000 profit. There we go. There's a continued breakout. There goes Facebook for the day. We're now up $1,071.17. I have to get this. Hold on, guys. Guys, our Uber trade's now up 41%, NVIDIA trade up 85%, continuing to run. We're up over $1,100 now for the day, still continuing to climb. Now we're up $1,300 and climbing. Nice breakout today, guys. Really nice run. Huge profits today. And that's the importance of patience and discipline and waiting for that setup. What a run. Guys, I'm going to start locking in some profits. We're now up 45% on the Uber trade. I'm going to hold the Uber trade, though. That looks incredible.
Sources say companies are receiving mix of approvals and denials of requests to sell to Huawei.
I'm going to sell the NVIDIA call here.
Commerce Department.
$4. I'll try to get $4.10 for it. I have a sell order in for the NVIDIA. Uber, I'm going to try to get, let's see. I think I'll probably try to get 80 cents. I really want to hold Uber, though, but I'd really like to lock in profits. That's the goal. Locking in profits daily. 70 by 80 cents now. I'm going to try for 80 cents on the Uber. NVIDIA trade just closed out, guys. I'm going to put in a sell order here on Uber for 80 cents. If that feels great. If not, oh well. I really should hold on to that trade, though. It looks great, but it was a small trade. It's only a $1,000 trade. All right, we'll put in a limit for 80 cents there. Facebook, that's continuing to run here. I'm up $300 for the day on Facebook. Our Facebook trade's actually now in the green. Our 200 strike calls for the December 6th Expo. As you can see, we were down about 25% on those earlier this morning. Facebook still in breakout momentum. Breaking out, retracing back down to that 10 SMA. Breaking out, retracing back down to that 10. As you can see, in each of the new breakout momentum phases within the breakout momentum cycle, the phases are usually on the today 1 minute, or if we're looking at the 3-month daily, you'll see breakout momentum consolidation back down to the 20, breakout again up to resistance. So that's what we're watching for here. And let me see, what do we close out? We only closed out the NVIDIA trade so far for a realized profit of $189.96. So again, Facebook, retracement back down to that 10. We're looking for the next breakout. But as you can see, in each of these breakout momentum phases within the cycle, we're coming back, retracing down to that 10. It's holding support, and then it's making new highs in this cycle. So we broke through resistance through this phase right here, retraced, broke through that resistance right around 199.30 and broke that, continued to run, and that's how our trade plan's working. Come back down to that 10 now. Now let's see that next climb here off that 10 SMA.
U.S. Special Representative for North Korea, Egan says
there she goes.
Congressional testimony, he still believes North Korea can make choice to denuclearize.
Facebook's breaking below that 20 there. Watching the video climb off that 20. Uber's in the NTZ trading between the 10 and 20 SMA on the other chart over to the right here. Qs are also breaking lower though. So the general market here, Qs have been selling off since the 1037 candle. Let's see what that does here. NVIDIA getting a pop off that 20. Nice candle there on NVIDIA. Guys, I just wanted to let you in and let you know that Uber has sold. Let me bring that up here. And then I got to get off for the day.
Coffee, Lucky Coffee 26.
I got to take them to the airport.
Getting a pop on that call activity and okay.
What is Uber at now? Uber got all the way up to 28.40. Wow. Incredible. Alrighty, guys. So here are the profits realized for today. Today is the 20th. And here are the realized profits for today. As you guys could see right here, these are the realized from today, 11/20/2019, 11/20/2019. Total realized gain today, and that's all in the first hour of trading. Here's the opening transaction, closing transaction. Here's the symbol, the date, price, amount, date, price, amount for closing, and then the realized gain or loss. Now let's take a look, see what we made on each of these trades here. We had two trades. The NVIDIA trade, that made, we were in at 219, out at 410, 4.1. Divide that by 2.19. That is a gain of 87.21%. 87.21%. The Uber trade, we were in at 53 cents and we were out at 80. So that is a quick gain, and that was a small $1,000 trade. Actually, it was only $900. Look at this. We only had a $963 in that trade. We ended up selling it for $1,430, almost a $500 profit. Anyway, our gain on that trade was 0.8. Divide that by 0.53. We made a 50.94%. And that was how our trading day went today with our day trades. Really nice day today, guys, with our realized profits. Now we're still sitting on the Disney March 20th 150 strike call. We're sitting on the Facebook 200 strike call for December 6th expo. We have the Nike 93-94 vertical call spread, which looks great. We also have the Qualcomm 90-9250 spread for the December 20th monthly expo, and then we have the Walmart December 20th 120 strike call. So those are the trades we're still in, and that's how our day went today, guys, and it was a pleasure being with you, and I will see you guys in the trade room as soon as I get back from taking them to the airport. Daughter and mother-in-law are leaving for Brazil today, so after today, I'm not going to have any more distractions in the trade room for a bit, but daughter is heading to Brazil for a few weeks to spend with mother-in-law, so I could get things situated here and get everything open, the new office space and everything. So that's the plan, guys, and a really great day today trading live in our trade room. How did you guys like it? If you guys enjoyed it, please give this video on YouTube a thumbs up, give it a like, and share it in the Facebook groups if you enjoy this. And please comment below. And if you're not a member yet, go to www.thesantarelliexchange.com. Use promo code TRADELIVE, and we will see you in the trade room, guys. Take care, and if you have any questions, need anything, just let me know in the trade room on the website. Let me see if there's any questions here on the chat, the YouTube chat here. Let's see. Chris Blanton said Square is still breaking. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at Square quick, because I did go over that one yesterday, and I did want to make a trade on Square, but Square is having a nice run now. Guys, remember we were talking about Square finally starting to break out. Here's that trade on Square. I think Square is going to continue to run into the holiday season here. I think I might pick up a trade in Sophia's account on Square. We just went over this one. Who got in that Square trade? That's really great. Bill Davis, William Davis, nice to see him back in the chat there. Skyjack said he's in NVIDIA. Jerry Rashenko said he's up over 22% on Uber. Small trade for him. That's great. Nice job. Did you guys take those profits in? Jorge says use Uber to take the daughter. My wife screwed up the flight a bit. She got them a different flight, and I just had to resolve all that. I'm always the fixer-upper of these problems here, so that's what I just had to do. Still more call sweeps coming in the January 17, 29 strike call on Uber. I'd love to pick up some more calls on Uber for the January Expo. And actually, guys, if you guys want another swing trade here, I'm telling you, this is a really nice swing trade. Uber, the December 20th or January 17th is even better. The 28 strike calls looks great, or the 29 strike. The 29 strike call, you can pick that up for $1.50. 10 contracts are going to cost you $1,050. Your break even, 29 plus 150, 30.50, and then 30.50 your break even plus another $1.50. That's going to be your 100% return mark. So at 31, that's going to be 32. That's going to be where you have the 100% return. So that's going to be where you make 100% return on Uber. If you picked up the 29 strike call right now for $1.50, your 100% return mark is at $32 a share. And if you take a look at Uber, like we said before, if we're looking at 6-month daily, we have some shorter term resistance right around 29. Then we have again right around 30, and then 33, 34, 35. So plenty of room here for Uber to run. I like that setup, and if you guys are looking for a low-risk swing trade on a nice stock here, Uber's looking to be great. I'd pick up the January 17th, either the 28 or 29 strike calls, and those are looking incredible there if you're looking for a swing trade. So realized profit, $709.23 for the day. That came out really well for us, and it was a really great day today, guys. As you can see, too, between these two trades were only $1,289.84. We took less than $1,300, turned it into about $2,000 in a short amount of time there, a couple of minutes, maybe an hour. $710 with $1,300. That's our day's gain. We had an 87.21% return and a 50.94% realized return for the day so far. So looking good, guys. I'm going to go now get these things taken care of, and I will see you guys either in the trade room or I will see you tomorrow. Jerry Rashenko said, ended up closing Uber for a 45% return. Great job on that, Jerry. I love seeing you guys make money, especially when we make money together on these trades. And I will get to you guys that are asking about certain stocks. I just have to get this. Zamboni says FireEye still breaking out there. Let's take a look at that one quick. He called this one, I think, last week when it was breaking out. That's looking good there. And if you take a look out further,
Now, Walmart CEO says we've seen a little customer blowback over our stricter gun and ammo policies.
You guys just heard the CEO of Walmart there. FireEye doesn't look bad, though. Jerry, great job on the Uber trade with us. He closed his Uber trade for a 45% return. Mr. Elephant, 100% return by win. Not sure what trade you're talking about there. That Square, though, Chris Blanton, I like that Square trade. That's looking really nice for a swing setup. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to get off here now. I got to run to the airport. If you guys enjoyed these videos, please give it a like on YouTube and share it on Facebook, wherever you'd like to share it, and let your friends know about our service. And if you'd like to sign up for our affiliate program, you could go to our site, click affiliate program, sign up, and you could get paid for, letting your friends and family know about how much you like our service. Alrighty, guys, take care, and I'm going to try to get back before the end of the day here. I don't think I'm going to stay at the airport with them. It's going to be a little hard to say goodbye to Sophie, but once I say bye, I'm going to be back in the office, and hopefully that'll be today. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Alrighty, guys, take care, and like I said, if you guys want to get signed up, go to the bottom here, www.thesantorelliexchange.com, promo code TRADELIVE. And we will keep the trade room updated with our trades. Take care, guys. Have a great day. Have a great week. God bless, and bye-bye.